I'm excited for this. And though I will admit that the science of math education is not really my area of expertise, I have enjoyed kind of diving into the data a little bit in preparation for this. And in the course of reviewing some of the material here, I was surprised to find out that not only are math struggles still fairly prevalent among young people, but that they start at a very early age. I think I read from one of your documents that 80% of kindergartners have trouble understanding their math teacher.
Yeah, that's what the statistics say. We have a study that we presented. We didn't do the study that said that 4 out of 5 students start kindergarten unprepared for the kindergarten curriculum. And the question was what does that mean? Because we're talking about very young students here. And the answer is that we're talking about a gap in language around the quantities. And the research also shows that children at the preschool level that are doing more mathematics are better reader, writers, and speakers. And that tends to be because, as we found, was that switch to 2-digit numbers. Like a 4-year-old will typically go 1-1. So their first encounter where 2 digits are written on a piece of paper and mean something more than the individual characters is right there.
Sure.
And so like when you get to kindergarten, you see CAT. Now that transition's easier to make because you already made it with 11.
Yeah, and I could imagine those struggles are particularly difficult to navigate when it comes to mathematics because everything builds off of everything, right? You need to learn the foundational stuff to learn the, arithmetic, to learn algebra, to learn calculus. And so if you miss a building block along the way, it can be harder to catch up, and because you can't learn the next thing until you learn the previous thing, and it's easy to fall behind. So if we have students sort of playing from behind from the kindergarten grades, it creates a unique challenge for math educators to make sure that they get the skills that they need.